So you want to manufacture your electronic product and require an assembled printed circuit board with its mounted electronic components. You search for suitable manufacturers in Europe via Google and want to get a few offers. The entire data transfer and coordination is handled by email and phone. Errors and misunderstandings occur during the communication process because the transmitted data is often unstructured and not standardized. The email ping-pong with multiple manufacturers leads to many versions of your data. What a chaos! And did we mention that emails are not safe at all? This is expensive, exhausting, and time-consuming. Until now. Be Produced, your marketplace for electronics manufacturing. You upload your order data and then specify your production requirements in 4 steps: PCB stack-up definition, electronic components, EC placement, and production details. Our system automatically recognizes your uploaded PCB and Excel data. Then you can specify your production requirements in terms of production and quality assurance processes. Suitable manufacturers will be suggested for you to get in contact with. And the option of discussing details separately is provided with the integrated collaboration tool, keeping everyone on the same level of knowledge. The Be Produced marketplace not only means enormous time savings, it's safe and avoids costly misunderstandings thanks to intelligent data recognition, software-supported order specification, and clear communication. Find your matching manufacturers. It's free of charge. Be Produced, your marketplace for electronics manufacturing.